Day 27 of being a chef on a yacht. I'm making shashuka for breakfast, and that's one of the owner's favorites. Went live with my little chefs, plated up breakfast, and packed a cooler because the guests are going to explore the island today. Had some watermelon that needed to be used up, so I made some watermelon lemonade for the crew and sandwiches for lunch. Then started dinner prep. I made a pea, spinach, and Parmesan puree, fabricated my duck, and seasoned it up. We're gonna have a lot of guests coming in the next couple of days, so I decided to make a big batch of cookies. I'll portion these out and have them in the freezer, and I can pull them out whenever I need them. Roasted off the rest of the duck, made some cowboy caviar, because I've seen it all over TikTok. I picked all of the meat off the duck carcass, so I'll use that for a duck pizza. Shape out my dough. For my sauce, I'm using duck fat and fig jam. Topping it with some red onions, spinach, mozzarella, and of course the duck. Start searing my duck breast. I like to start in a cold pan because it really helps with the rendering of the fat. Baste the breast in butter and fig jam. Really happy with the temperature of the breast and plated up dinner. Set the table upstairs, and the owner said this was ranked #1. And the crew had the duck pizza. Bye, little chef.